This is the main agenda of today. Let's start with the course goal first. So our primary goal is to take you from a beginner or intermediate developer to someone confident in building and deploying a complete web application, which is a very valuable, highly sought after in today's tech industry. First, we will focus on learning full stack development. This means you won't just learn front end or back end separately, but how both parts work together seamlessly. You will get hands-on experience with front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap, which will help you design user-friendly interfaces. Alongside, you will dive deeply into backend development with Java and Spring Boot, where we will handle the server logic, database interaction, and API creation. Second, I would like to highlight that this course is purely project oriented. Instead of just theory, you will develop a real world app called the Task Manager. This app will cover all critical parts of full stack development, from user authentication and data persistence to responsive UI and RESTful APIs. Building this app step by step will reinforce your learning and give you a concrete portfolio project to showcase. Lastly, learning development is not complete without deployment. So an essential part of this course is to teach you how to deploy your application to a real server or cloud environment. You will learn to package your app, configure the environment, and make your app accessible to users online. This will prepare you for the end-to-end software delivery lifecycle. I can assure you that by the end of this course, you will not only understand the technologies, but also gain the confidence to create, deploy, and maintain full stack applications independently. So, let's start our exciting learning journey where theory meets practical and you'll emerge as a skilled full stack Java developer ready for real world challenges. Now, let us see what is a web request and response flow. Only 10 minutes more we will spend on this slide and then we will straight away jump into development. This is a fundamental concept that underpins every web application you will build. And this fundamental concept is the web request response flow. When a user interacts with a web application, the process starts on their device, usually through a web browser. For example, when you type a URL or click a link, your browser initiates a request to get the information or service you want. Then what happens? The browser, before it can reach the server, it needs to translate the domain name like example.com into an IP address. This happens through a domain name system which act like a internet's phone directory. Okay, so we will not go deeper into this, just a flow. So after that, it reaches the server. This server is where your application will be hosted along with database. So it will host web server, application server, and database server. Here is where your complete backend code will execute. Then after that, this server will see your request, process it, and form the HTML page as a response and send it back to your browser where you will access it. And this cycle keeps on repeating. So for this complete flow, what we have to do, this entire process, it will integrate the three core components of full stack development. With the front end which is the browser part. It is built with HTML, CSS, JavaScripts, and other frameworks like Bootstrap and Thymeleaf, which are responsible for what the user sees and interacts with. The second component is the backend. This is the server-side code written in Java with Spring Boot for our use case, which processes request, applies business logic, and orchestrates data flow. And the third part is the database, the persistent storage. In our case, we will use PostgreSQL, which will store, update, and retrieve the app's data securely. Together, these three components in Harmony work together to create the smooth user experience we expect from a modern web applications. Understanding this flow is very crucial because it shapes how you design your application, manage data, and optimize performance. In this course, let's get a hands-on experience working with all these three layers and build your own application that fully implements this request response lifecycle.